Hey guys, this is Tariq and it's 6 a.m. in the morning and the sun is shining. Everything's really beautiful. Uh, so I've been up till now because I was doing a couple of stuff. I was thinking of things and I was trying to just work with my mind. And what I want to give you is an exercise. It's called before sleeping at 5 or 6 a.m. exercise. So this exercise talks about how uh, the economy is fucked up right now and how things are happening. Uh, so if you think about it, look at the sun. It's shining, and the clouds and everything is beautiful, which means that there is no lack. Even if the economy is fucked up or a lot of problems are going on, everything is getting more expensive and all that, but uh, we are just people. We don't know everything. We're just people who are living inside this place, and we don't know everything yet. You know what I mean? Uh, we just know what we see and what we are experiencing, and then we talk about it in the news and on social media and everything. But the truth is we don't know everything. So in that exercise, we're going to imagine, think, take a deep breath, and think of the things that we want the minute we wake up. Okay, first we want to wake up feeling refreshed, feeling amazing. We want to feel refreshed and want to feel good. At the same time, we want to wake up and see some good news. Maybe someone inquiring for our services. Maybe we have a business or we have some kind of service that we provide people with. So this is going to be the main topic. So we can we can summarize all of this in just one word that resembles it. It can be something like wealth, which means money, income, abundance, prosperity. So just repeat this word and just keep repeating it. It's like you're stamping on a paper, and then just one stamp you feel like it's a little bit light, and then you stamp again, it becomes bolder. Then you stamp again, it becomes um, more clear. So this is what we want to do. We want to stamp this picture or this idea. Uh, so we think wealth, wealth, wealth. We just repeat it, and we don't have to think about the details, but we can imagine something like a scenario that's gonna happen. We're going to sleep, and we're going to use our mind to attract good things to us, because we really don't know much. We don't know anything but what's outside of ourselves. We don't know what's inside of ourselves and what we are capable of as human beings. It's scary. It's really scary once we know how much how powerful we are, because we are incredible beings. We are capable of creating, and we are the only species that are capable of thinking, and we are the only type of energy that thinks for itself, not just behaves or acts. We are able, even though if most of us are running on autopilot most of the time, but we can think. We can think of what we've done in the past, and we can think of what we're doing right now. We can control ourselves. At some degree, we can control ourselves. So if we try to think and just connect connect our thinking with our actions and with what's going on right now, right here and right now, and merge all these three together: our thinking, our actions, our feelings. Just make them unite, even for a couple of seconds, if you don't have that ability to focus. But right now, the reason I made this exercise for it to happen before sleeping, because this time we are feeling calmer, and we are feeling relaxed and in a very receptive mood. We are in the alpha state. The alpha state is a calm, receptive state that's just observing, and it's very imaginative. So it's the perfect time to choose what we imagine, and we choose the best things to imagine. So we can divide those things that we want uh, into maybe four categories that are symbolized with good things. They can be wealth. I want to wake up with some good news about someone who wants to adopt my projects or my services, or someone who wants to buy my product, or maybe someone who wants to send me money for something in the past. You never know what it is. Or maybe I have something up for sale since a long time ago and someone's gonna finally buy it. Okay, so talking about wealth, about health, maybe I've been having this back pain for a while and now it's gone. Or I've been waking up for like uh, many days feeling tired, and this time I wake up feeling extremely refreshed and energized. Uh, Maybe I wake up and something feels good about myself. Um, the third one can be relationships, friendships, love. Well, maybe an old good friend would say hello to me and say some good news about themselves that will make me happy as well. Um, Maybe love as well. Someone will contact you, and someone will compliment you about something that you're doing, or something that you did for them, which is very good. Or someone, it can be a family member thanking you for something, or just like saying, "Oh yes, please, uh, I would be grateful if you could help me with this." Uh, it's all connected. And the fifth one, which is the most important one, is think of a good, happy wake up time. You wake up feeling grateful and happy, and you say, "Today is my lucky day." You can label your name. I mean, you can label your day. So give a name for your day. Just say, "Today is going to be uh, my lucky day. Today is lucky day. Tomorrow is calm day. The day after tomorrow is energetic day. The day after is sport day." You can label the days and things will be amazing. I promise you that. So, yeah, that was it. Just keep saying those words before sleeping until you just fall asleep, and imagine them and feel them. And just stick with them. Don't think again of them. Just think about them one time and don't think otherwise. Just think about them twice, 3 times, only twice or 3 times, few seconds each thoughts. And please let me know if this works for you, and let me know what happens the day next. Have a beautiful day, and don't forget to subscribe.